Today's video is all about why you need omega-3 and benefits of fish oil. Why you need to take omega-3 as a man and some benefits you are going to derive when you consume fish oil. On how you consume fish a lot, you are going to get so many benefits, and most especially the reason why I came up with this video is why you need omega-3 as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know why you need to take omega-3 as a man and benefits of taking fish oil. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case if you are new on this very channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what is the main reason why you need omega-3 as a man? What are the benefits that you are going to derive when you consume fish oil? This omega-3 or fish oil has so many benefits it is going to give you. So make sure that you consume a lot of fish, because number one, the more you consume fish or fish oil, the more you get natural protein, and you know that protein helps to reduce fat and to reduce weight. So on how you consume omega-3 or you take fish that will give you fish oil, you are going to get a natural protein. But what is the fish that will give you this omega-3? The fish is salmon fish. This fish is the best fish that every man needs to consume. This fish contains high protein and it contains what is called omega-3. Omega-3 will come when you consume this salmon fish. And why you need omega-3 is it will help you as a man to have a good blood flow. Blood flow is very important in every man's life. If you want to have a good erection, you always want to perform well as a man. You want to have a healthy immune system so that you will behave as a man. Consider taking omega-3. And how do you get omega-3? It is only by consuming fish to get fish oil. But the best fish to consume is salmon fish, which will give you the best omega-3 that will give you natural protein and give you the best blood flow and blood circulation to help you act as a man. So this is the main reason why you need to consume omega-3 as a man, or why you need to consume fish to get fish oil in order to perform well as a man. Now, other benefits are healthy eye. Omega-3 will help give you a healthy vision. Another benefit is that it will boost up your immune system as a man. If your immune system is not in order, maybe you can't perform well, your body is allergic or easy to contact disease, with omega-3 that will help to boost up your immune system, your immune will be able to fight diseases and germs that will give you a weakened body or destroy your body system. So if you have a good immune system, you will always have the opportunity to be healthy, because your immune system will fight germs, diseases and bacteria in your body system. The immune helps to fight diseases in our body system. So on how you consume fish to get fish oil, definitely you will get omega-3, which will boost up your immune system. and also give you a healthy eyes. Besides, omega-3 will give you a healthy skin, shiny skin, and your hair will be as smooth as, and it will give you a healthy hair growth. It will give you a healthy hair growth. So these are the reasons why you need to consume omega-3 or consume salmon fish to get the best benefits as a man. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share for you people, to encourage you as a man to consume fish a lot. It will help you, and it will help your immune system, help you to perform well as a man, especially for good erection. And to perform well as a man, you need omega-3. The best fish is salmon fish. So thank you for stopping by. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.